Welcome. In front of me is a TCL Tab 10L, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this tablet. Now, to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture, and I'll be using home screen as an example for this. So once your content is open and visible, all you need to do is hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll have a sound along with this pop-up right here with share and edit options, and after a moment it will disappear. There we go. Now, once you have captured your screenshot, and obviously you cannot see it right here, you can find the screenshot in your Photos application. So you can see there it is. Actually, no, that's not even it. It's going to be in Library in this case. And there we go, screenshots. So it separates it into a specific folder with only screenshots, and you don't get to see it actually in the Photos tab. You have video recording. This is a screen recording, as you can probably see by the time, but screenshot isn't visible in here, so you have to navigate into the Library section. But anyway, that is how you can capture a screenshot on this tablet, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.